Hey everyone, this is Caitlin Parker. I will be talking about the wonderful piece I chose by Joseph Cornell called Navigating the Imagination. Joseph Cornell was born December 24th, 1903 in Nyack, New York. He was the oldest of his two sisters and brother. In 1929, Cornell moved to Queens, New York to be with his mother after his father died from leukemia. There, he lived with both his mother and brother and took care of them. Growing up, Cornell worked many different jobs, ranging from designing textiles to selling refrigerators. He also began creating boxes and toys for his brother, who had cerebral palsy. In 1920, Cornell began making sculptural boxes and collages. In the 1930s, he met several surrealist artists. One artist in particular introduced to Cornell that art was not necessarily a matter of applying paint to a canvas, but could also be made from real objects. This is when Cornell truly became inspired to be an artist. He was best known for his sculptures and assemblages. However, he did turn some of his sculptures into paintings, such as the painting Navigating the Imagination. Cornell was a self-taught artist and was considered to be a modern artist. He called himself the American Voyager because his creations offered him a way to travel through centuries of history without actually leaving America. Navigating the Imagination is one of Cornell's most famous paintings. He created this piece on November 17, 2006, and later turned it into a series. Cornell created Navigating the Imagination to represent his interpretation and imagination as a metaphor. This approach highlights his perception of art as a way of communicating and creating connections through repetition and variation. He looked at art as a way of bringing together visual elements and ideas for people to see. This painting is displayed in the Smithsonian American Art Museum. Cornell brought beauty and fantasy to his painting by using vibrant colors. Cornell really used his imagination, hence the title, to create this painting. Along with vibrant colors, he used other structures such as value and proportion to create this beautiful masterpiece. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of Joseph Cornell.